Welcome to this month's edition of the Villages V-Mail. Last month when we were together, we highlighted all things golf in our community. This month we're going to shift focus a little bit and take a deep dive into all things recreation. Let's begin in Citrus Grove. In the village of Citrus Grove, the new Homestead Recreation Center is really starting to take shape. Featuring a family resort-style pool, billiards, a game room, and all your outside favorites. Unique to Homestead Recreation is a secluded nature park. Featuring picnic tables, corn toss, horseshoes, and yet another village's first, offering observation pads for our stargazing astronomy enthusiasts. Surrounding Homestead Recreation Center are the villages of Citrus Grove and Cason Hammock, where we have both homes and recreation areas under construction and getting ready for villagers to enjoy. Now, as we move south, we can see that Franklin Recreation Center is broken ground and will be a first of its kind to bring together a recreation center with our two newest short game golfing fun with the Jubilee Putting Course and the Mickey Lee Pitch and Putt. Heading back towards the Brownwood Bridge along Megason, we also have a beautiful nature landscape being developed along the shores of Lake Okahumpka. This location will feature beautiful boardwalks and pathways for bird watching and just taking your everyday stroll. Here you'll also be able to enjoy a waterfront restaurant, more pitch and putt, and the Lake Okahumpka Recreation Center. And following Megason further north, there is the future Clarendon Recreation Area. And recently, First Responders Recreation Center broke ground to the north. And Fenny Recreation remodel is nearing completion. As you can see, there's an awful lot of recreation on the horizon. And with what we already enjoy, together with our villagers, we reinvent what retirement living can be. And with July being Parks and Recreations Month, we would be remiss if we didn't give a shout out to our amazing recreation team that help bring this to life each and every day. We thank you. So stay with us as we give you a little bit of an overview on all things happening at Ezell Recreation Center as we continue the dream.